a messy mind. Think I need to help you. I'm gonna try. Cute as
Sorry. So, high precision done. Today is gonna be a day where the weather tell me what I'm gonna do. Not me to choose, the weather. What up, gangsta? 50 Cent is in the house. See, one of those days. Nah, nice terrain. What is this? Oh, it's sexy. Honda. Don't give a fuck. No helmet. Oh, don't ask for my license. Seriously. So one of those days, nice start to rain. I was planning to go to Pasig to fly the drone, and now I'm gonna end up going to Paranaque in bikerbox. I'm still gonna try to fly the drone. So the story is, I haven't flown the drone since Marilake, and my wife keep asking me, did you fly the drone? Did you try? It's still working. So I'm gonna try it today, but it's raining, no? So that's the problem when you're a motovlogger with the rainy season. You really need to get ahead with content, otherwise you can end up one day you cannot produce any content because of the rain. You cannot go out, you cannot do anything. I was planning to go to Tagaytay today, pero with this weather it's gonna be hard, right? Very hard. So tomorrow I have something planned. I'm gonna go out tomorrow. Go out. And then Saturday my wife wanted to go to Tagaytay, but with this weather again, you know. That's why if you're a motovlogger, get ahead on your upload, put some video on the side, because the rainy season it's very annoying. I remember last year me and Gaki and J-Mac were planning to do something, and there was a big typhoon, so we were like, oh, cannot do. That was a long time ago, huh? A year ago, buddy. Time goes very fast, you know. Very fast. I'm here for 3 years already. Fuck. 3 years in the Philippines. I really like this one, CR150L. It could be a great setup for supermoto. If you want to make a supermoto, could be a great. Actually, that was one of my plans. I was like, you know, it looked nice. I was thinking, should I buy it or not? It's 40,000 more than this one, but it's nice, you know. It depends what you want, but it could be a great rainy season bike also.
ATM, sir?
ATM?
No cash, sir.
You a bank? No cash in a bank. Ay, nako. It's okay, don't worry. Maybe offline. No cash. You a bank? No cash. Thank you, Kuya. No cash. No, the thing is, I skipped the first Metro Bank, thinking I'm gonna go to this one, and then this one is empty. It's it? Oh shit, is it? So bikerbox, you take, you turn here. Thank you, Kuya. And then you go inside here. is like my dream garage here. That's why I like to come. So many whatever you want. Moto Guzzi, Vespa, Kimco, KTM, they have it all. This one is nice, custom. So just ordered my food. Just gonna go for a tour, quick tour. $690 Enduro, 350. This one is nice. It doesn't look too big also. Well, I cannot put my feet down though. Barely. But it's nice. Good. My dream bike guys, the Duke 390. Nah, like, because my feet touch the floor, you see? Almost. Can do. Yeah, this is nice. Okay, from now, accept donation to buy me a... This is so light and so small also. It's not too big. Accept donation now to buy a Duke 390. Link below the description. Jog.
Baby, hotter than flames. Wanna burn together in a million ways. Now let me take the lead. Know you wanna play with me. Got secrets you might wanna see. You might wanna see. You might wanna. I know I'm not gonna regret this. Wanna get reckless, put you to the test, yeah. I know I'm not gonna regret this. I wanna get reckless.
So if you're looking for bell, helmet, icon helmet, they have everything here. It's not your typical bike shop which has, this is a Ruby helmet. It's not the typical bike shop who will have you know, all the normal brand. Here I think they try to bring a lot of exclusive brand like Ruby, you know, Bell helmet, they have Shark helmet also. Vespa, they have a lot. They really try to bring something different. They have Arai, Motorini. So I struggle a lot with my GoPro. As you can see, it was stuck inside. Thank you bikerbox people to help me. Mitas tire, that's what I was looking at. Anyone knows about Mitas tire? Is it good or no? I heard it was really good, but I never tried. That's what she said. Actually, comparing the price from Mitas tire to Michelin is the same. From what I get, the quote that I get. So So I'm thinking now, should I get Mitas or machine? Not really sure. Bikerbox is basically... Oh, Metro Bank is there. Let's get some cash. This is done. ATM. Another day. What time is it? 4:30, they are closed. Should work in Metro Bank, man. Bikerbox is basically everything that I want into business. Food, motorcycle. I think they had a barber before. When they started, they had a barber. I think they just started as motorcycle shop accessory, and then they went into selling a few bikes, and then now they do both now, accessory and selling motorcycle. As I say, you know, they try to really bring, I think, the different brand that you can get. Instead of going to Motor World and get all the LS2, Arai, Shoei, they try to bring different brand. I think they have a big, they probably have a big connection with Bell, Moto Guzzi, you know. They're supplying Moto Guzzi, KTM. They have I think, I'm not mistaken, they have a few bikes from Aprilia, Vespa also. They have a lot of Vespa. So all of those brands, they try to bring it. So, and the good thing, they can service your bike, you know. They don't just sell it, they can service all those big bikes. So even if you have a KTM and you don't want to bring it to whatever you're living, KTM BGC for example, you can come there and service your KTM there. And the service is quite good actually, every time I go. Food was good. I didn't expect that. She told me the name and I was like, is that beef? And she was like, yeah. Okay, but whatever, just give me. And it was nice. It was like a stew, beef cooking stew with egg on top. It was good. Nice Skoda Raptec. Wow. Hello. Go before Ate. Sorry Ate. Manawash. Ta mère la putain. I didn't know it was closed. I didn't know there was someone in there. I thought it was just like... Well, with this weather, I cannot fly the drone. So instead of that, I give you Sagrada. Sagrada flying drone! Okay, thank you for watching. Subscribe, like the video, dislike, what a comment, up to you. Let me know what you think. Sorry bro.